Hello everybody, I am Neeraj Kumar Singhal from Semco Infratech Private Limited. We deal in lithium and battery testing and assembly solutions for making the battery packs. We are exhibiting at EVEXPO 2024 and we welcome you there to come and discuss the latest technologies and innovations in lithium ion battery pack manufacturing and create a pollution-free EV revolution.
Don't miss Semco Infratech at EVEXPO 2024. Visit our booth B88 to learn more about our innovative battery solutions and network with industry leaders shaping the future of electric mobility. We look forward to welcoming you. See you at the expo.